Another centralized platform filing for bankruptcy, exchanges are showing their coins, and an interesting yield opportunity on Polkadot. Hey everyone, this is Leo and we're once again back at the studio, and welcome to This Week in Crypto, a roundup of some of the hot stories in the crypto space. Well, without further ado, we will start with our first hot story about Genesis Trading. Institutional crypto platform Genesis Trading may be preparing for bankruptcy, according to investors who say the troubled prime broker is looking to raise $500 million in an emergency fundraising. Part of the digital currency group family of companies, Genesis Trading allows institutional investors and crypto projects to trade and borrow crypto assets. Genesis Trading is a massive player in the institutional side of crypto, with $2.8 billion in active loans and almost $30 billion in trading volume for Q3 of 2022. Issues began early this year when Genesis took on losses from a loan issued to Three Arrows Capital, who failed to pay back the $2.8 billion they had borrowed from the firm. According to bankruptcy filings from Three Arrows Capital, Genesis Trading is seeking $1.2 billion from the failed hedge fund. At the time, Genesis' parent company, Digital Currency Group, assumed some of the losses from the bad loan. In the wake of the FTX Alameda collapse, Genesis revealed that they had $175 million locked in the FTX exchange, and on the 16th, halted customer withdrawals from the Genesis platform. Parent company DCG again injected $140 million into the platform. In the past few days, it's been reported that they were seeking an emergency fundraise of $1 billion, which has since been cut to $500 million. They have warned their investors that if they fail to raise these funds, Genesis Trading could file for bankruptcy. Binance was approached for the deal but declined due to a potential conflict of interest. In slightly positive news, parent company DCG, which operates Genesis, have stated that the lending business at Genesis does not affect Genesis Trading or custody business, and this decision has no impact on the business operations of DCG and our other wholly owned subsidiaries. Some of DCG's subsidiaries includes Grayscale, which issued and operates the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, crypto media company CoinDesk, and crypto exchange Luno. At the time of writing, Genesis have not announced the results of their emergency fundraising efforts. Fingers crossed that they are able to come out of this. In the wake of FTX and their mishandling of user assets, centralized crypto exchanges have begun sharing proof of reserves to show that they hold users' assets responsibly. Among the exchanges to share proof of reserves are Kraken, BitMEX, Binance, Bitfinex, OKEX, KuCoin, Deribit, and Huobi. Crypto data platform Nansen has prepared a dashboard to display wallet balances from some of these exchanges, allowing users to view the total assets of these exchanges. Keep in mind that proof of reserves are not perfect. However, proof of reserves show the total assets of the exchange, but not the total liabilities, such as user holdings. But this move towards transparency from exchanges is generally positive. If you're still holding assets on centralized exchanges, we recommend that you check if the exchange has published a proof of reserves. Stay safe, guys. Polkadot EVM chain Moonbeam is kicking off their Moonbeam Ignite campaign, looking to bring liquidity to their growing DeFi ecosystem, with 12 million Glimmer tokens to be distributed over the next 6 months. Liquidity incentives are available on StellaSwap, a decentralized exchange, and Moonwell, a decentralized lending platform. Farmers can currently earn 14% APR on stable coins like USDC, USDT, and BUSD, and over 80% APR for other pairs such as USDC and Glimmer, and DOT and Glimmer on StellaSwap. Rewards for lending assets on Moonwell are expected to begin in the coming days, promising some exciting incentives for those that deposit. Ever since the FTX case, we at Crypto Discover would like to once again remind you guys to check your exchange platform to see if they have published their proof of reserves. We hope to always inform you of new updates such as news in regards to proof of reserves and interesting campaigns such as Moonbeam Ignite. But do remember that none of these are financial advice. Remember to always do your own research. Well, that's it for This Week in Crypto. If you like our content, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Leo saying thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.